Imagine a scenario where you earn money while you sleep. Sounds like a dream, right? But it's not. This is what passive income is all about. It's a financial strategy that goes beyond the traditional 9-to-5 grind, allowing you to generate earnings with minimal active effort. Think of it as having your money work for you, instead of you working for your money. This isn't about getting rich quickly or easily, it's about creating sustainable income streams that can give you the freedom and flexibility to live life on your terms. It's about achieving financial independence, where your income isn't tied to the hours you put into a job. It's about having the ability to make choices based on what you want, not what you need to pay the bills. Intrigued, aren't you? So let's unravel the mystery of passive income. There are numerous ways to generate passive income. Some of the most popular ones include investments, online ventures, and royalties. Let's start with investments. Real estate and the stock market are two of the most common investment avenues for generating passive income. Real estate investments can include rental properties where you earn income from tenants or investing in real estate investment trusts. The stock market offers various opportunities for passive income, such as investing in dividend-paying stocks. These are shares in companies that distribute a portion of their earnings to shareholders, providing a steady income stream. Next, we have online ventures. The digital world offers a plethora of opportunities to earn passive income. Affiliate marketing is one such way. It involves promoting other companies' products and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral link. Dropshipping is another online business model where you sell products without having to stock or deliver them yourself. You simply take orders and your supplier takes care of the rest. Creating and selling digital products like ebooks, online courses, or design templates can also be a lucrative source of passive income. Lastly, let's talk about royalties. If you have a creative streak, you can generate passive income by writing books or ebooks, creating and licensing music, or designing and selling artwork. Once your work is out there and selling, you'll continue to earn royalties without any additional effort. These are just a few examples. The possibilities for creating passive income are virtually endless. Now, building passive income streams needs careful planning and smart investing strategies. Just like constructing a house, you wouldn't just start laying bricks without a blueprint, would you? Similarly, building a reliable passive income requires thorough research and goal setting. First, explore different potential income streams. Each type of passive income stream comes with its own set of advantages and challenges. Whether it's real estate, online ventures, or royalties, understanding these is crucial to your success. Next, set realistic goals. You can't expect to build Rome in a day. Creating a passive income stream is a journey, not an event. Define your financial goals and develop a step-by-step action plan to achieve them. Now let's talk about investing strategies. The first one is diversification. It's the old saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different assets to reduce risk. If one investment doesn't perform well, others might. Another crucial strategy is risk management. Every investment carries some level of risk, and understanding this is vital. Your risk tolerance will determine your investment choices. High-risk investments might offer higher returns, but they can also lead to bigger losses. So, balance is key. Finally, consider your investment horizon. Are you looking for quick returns, or are you in it for the long haul? Short-term strategies might offer quick profits but are often more volatile. On the other hand, long-term strategies, while taking more time, can provide steady and sustainable income over the years. To put it in perspective, think of the hare and the tortoise. The hare might reach the finish line faster, but the tortoise wins the race in the end. Same goes for your investments. Quick profits might seem attractive, but sustainable income is what will bring you financial freedom in the long run. Remember, building a passive income stream is not a sprint, but a marathon. And like any marathon, it requires patience, persistence, and a well-planned strategy. So, lace up your running shoes and get ready to start the journey to financial freedom. Success always comes with its share of failures. Here are some real-life examples of individuals who have built successful passive income streams and the mistakes they made along the way. Let's start with John, who invested heavily in rental properties. He faced many challenges, from dealing with problematic tenants to managing property maintenance. However, with grit and persistence, he learned the ropes and turned those properties into lucrative income streams. The key takeaway from John's experience? Patience and due diligence in property management are essential for real estate investment. Next, we have Mary, a successful affiliate marketer. She started off with little knowledge about affiliate marketing and made a common mistake: promoting products without understanding her target audience. This led to poor conversion rates and discouraging initial results. But Mary didn't give up. She studied her audience, tailored her marketing strategies, and her efforts eventually paid off. Mary's story underlines the importance of knowing your audience in affiliate marketing. Now let's look at some common mistakes people make when trying to generate passive income. One is diving in without sufficient research or planning. Just like John and Mary, you need to understand the field you are getting into. Whether it's real estate, stocks, or online ventures, always do your homework. Another common pitfall is expecting quick results. Generating passive income takes time and effort. Don't be disheartened if you don't see immediate returns. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Last but not least, many people spread themselves too thin by trying to juggle multiple income streams at once. It's better to focus on one or two, maximize them, and then consider branching out. So what can you do to avoid these mistakes? Educate yourself, be patient, stay focused, and most importantly, learn from others' experiences. It's not about avoiding mistakes altogether, but learning and growing from them. Learning from others' mistakes can save you a lot of time and money. When it comes to passive income, you can't ignore the tax man. Also, automation is your best friend. Let's delve into these two crucial aspects. Tax implications can vary widely depending on the type of passive income you're earning. For instance, income from rental properties is taxable, but you can deduct expenses like mortgage interest and property maintenance. On the other hand, dividends from stocks are also taxed, but at a different rate, often lower than your regular income tax rate. Now, royalties from selling a book or music are subject to income tax, and if you're self-employed, you might also need to pay self-employment tax. Online ventures like affiliate marketing or selling digital products can also be taxed, but there are often business expenses you can write off. It's a complex landscape, but understanding these tax obligations is key to maximizing your passive income. Switching gears, let's talk about automation. Automation is the secret sauce that can help you truly earn money while you sleep. For instance, with an online store, you can automate order processing and customer service responses. If you're investing in stocks, you can set up automatic buying or selling based on certain criteria. In essence, automation allows you to scale your passive income streams without significantly increasing your workload. In conclusion, don't let taxes intimidate you. Instead, see them as part of the game, and make it a point to understand them. Also, embrace automation. It's your ticket to truly passive income. Proper tax planning and automation can significantly increase your net income. For those new to passive income, starting might seem daunting, but don't worry, we've got some tips for you. First and foremost, start small. Don't overwhelm yourself by trying to dive headfirst into every income stream. Pick one that resonates with your interests and skills, and focus on that. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Next, educate yourself. There are countless resources online, blogs, podcasts, webinars, and ebooks that can guide you through the process. Take advantage of these resources and never stop learning. Now let's address some skepticism. Yes, building a passive income stream requires effort, especially in the beginning. And yes, there are risks involved, but the potential rewards, financial freedom, flexibility, and the ability to earn while you sleep are well worth the effort and risk. To mitigate these risks, always do your research and due diligence. Don't fall for get-rich-quick schemes. Legitimate passive income streams require time and effort to build. Lastly, equip yourself with the right tools. There's a myriad of apps and software available that can help you manage and track your income streams. Find the ones that work best for you, and use them to your advantage. Now, it's your turn to take action. Start building your passive income streams today. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step.